Wow. Like my head. Wow. It's like it's not even detangled enough for me to do. Wow.
Look at this.
Wow. Like my hair is so effing. Like I might have to wash this crap out. I'm so mad.
Yeah. I don't know how you love your sleep. You sacrifice your sleep.
Like I can't even comb through my hair. Like. I'm literally gonna have to go in the shower.
We should go to the gym.
No, I'm not going. I'm not walking out the house like this. I'm hungry. No, that's not my plan in my head today. We're going to get food.
Can I see? Why don't you just put it in the...
Do you feel my hair?
I feel it.
Like, do you feel how tangled my hair is? Like, I cannot...
Just do it like this. Just put it in the fan. Like that.
No, that's not what you do. That you are gonna have yourself a tangled ass mess.
Well, if you
no. When you have a daughter, if you do that to her hair, I swear to God, you're gonna have to cut all her hair off because it's gonna be tangled. You just can't put your hair in a matted ass bun. Like, you are gonna have problems out the freaking yin yang if you do that to your head. And now I gotta get myself all wet.
You want me to throw your Eggo in there?
Eggo?
I mean, your waffle.
I already ate two.
This morning?
You've been asleep forever.
What time is it?
It's freaking like 11 o'clock.
Wow.
I wasn't gonna wake you up. You was sleeping beauty. You guys, I gotta go wash out my head because my hair isn't even moving. It's like it's wet, it's frozen, and it's not moving. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, welcome to my bathroom. A different angle. Don't come for me because I was washing clothes and I had to literally throw all of my clothes on the top of my rack, which you're gonna see in a couple of moments. But yes, my clothes air dry in my bathroom. If you don't know, I got a portable washing machine. Please go check out that video. But you guys, I was so irritated and I was so tired because my hair was so tangled. Like, the leave-in conditioner, it didn't even make it soft. I literally had to wet my hair to be able to comb through my hair. And the weird thing was my hair was still wet. Like, it wasn't even dry. My hair was still wet, but it was frozen in place. Like, I don't even know how that happened. So I just took my oldie but goodie Cantu, put some moisturizer in my hair. I used some oldie but goodie shea butter to moisturize and to seal all that moisture in there. I put some castor oil on the top of my hair just to try to do like a really quick fix. My brush broke, so I had to use another brush. But you guys, my hair was so tangled and matted. Like, I really was not happy at all. And my poor husband, he's like really trying to help me. But y'all, I know y'all say y'all wanted to see a video of him doing my hair. I don't know about that. I honestly do not know about him doing my hair. I am scared as all get out, and I am not here for it. I really am not here for it. Yet again, realistic way of bun just ain't looking right. And then my hair is so thick. Like I'm not complaining about my hair. I'm complaining about the product. So don't get the last two videos misconstrued with me complaining about how thick my hair is. But when I am trying to put my hair in a bun, the reason why it takes me so long is because my hair is so thick and it's so long, and if my bun is not sitting on my head the proper way, my head will hurt and the bun will be too heavy to where I feel like a waterhead. Like my head is off balance because my ponytail, I promise you, is like 2.5, 3 pounds. Like, not kidding. So you guys, this was the perfect little bun. I just gave up, was like, whatever, I gotta put my hair rag on. And like I said, my clothes was drying, so don't come for me. But my bun was still wet. Like after a couple hours later, this is what it looks like dry. My hair is pressed down, but my bun had to finish drying, and I left my hair like this for a week. Like after this video, I was completely done with my hair, done with the smells, done with the products. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the end result, the aftermath, and I left my hair alone for a great while. So I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.